All right, today what I got is a Kia that we put a valve cover gasket that was leaking like a sieve. It filled up the center coils of motor oil, and those coil packs are saturated. So when we did the valve covers, we did plugs. But then I ended up, it didn't have it before. We did plugs and coils. It got a misfire. And just showing you guys, if you got a car where you got access to the coils, I'm pulling number 4 off. This will trigger your check engine light. Get the lock out of the way. Squeeze the tab. You got a big RPM drop. That's not the cylinder. Pull the lock up out of the way. Squeeze the tab. Big RPM drop. It ain't that one. Go to number 2. Pull the lock out of the way. Squeeze the tab. Big RPM drop. Go to number 1, pull the tab, squeeze it, no change, no change, no change. So either I got a defective coil, or we try and use OE parts, but sometimes customers are looking to save some money, or I didn't gap the plug right, because it wasn't doing that before, so I gotta fix it. Anyway, if that helps you guys in identifying a misfire on your car, obviously some cars you don't have access to these coils, and what I just did is going to turn on a bunch of check engine lights, which we'll clear later. But if you got a manifold that comes over and covers your coils, yeah, that's not going to work. But if you got access to them, that's a really quick way to identify a cylinder misfire if you don't have a scanner that points it out for you. So if it helps you out there, I hope it does. Give us a shout. You guys have a good day.